Hello everyone, how are you doing all? Let's see how to modify a mobile cover like this. For this we will need one mobile cover which needs to be a transparent wrap. Let's see how to do it. So we will need a basic paper, or you can take a high quality paper as well. I am preferring a normal notebook here. Just place your mobile cover and draw a border as per that mobile cover dimensions. After that, take out the mobile cover and we will need this kind of pen which comes from a Zinc brand. I have provided the purchase link in the description below. You can check it out and you can buy it from Amazon. Yes, these are a really beautiful calligraphy pen I am using for it, and this is how I have drawn the calligraphy strokes here. You can replicate it, you can try to draw like this by your hands. Yes, it is looking really beautiful. Yes, I know it. So after that we will need to crop it by using scissors, and after that, after cropping, it will look something like this. Yes, enjoy the look of my calligraphy. And yes, you can follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram handle is the Calligraphy Factor. You will learn a lot of things regarding calligraphy on my Instagram page, so make sure you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and you can follow me on Instagram. Yes, and we need to place this calligraphy paper in the back cover and apply it on the mobile, and this is how our DIY mobile back cover using calligraphy is ready. Please tell me in the comments, do you like it or not, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow me on the Instagram. That's it for now. Signing off.